Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Transitioning from the quiet reverence of the monuments into the energy of Western Julian Street, you enter one of the most successful urban transformations in the American South. This pedestrian mall is the connective tissue of Savannah's social life, a space where the city's rigid historic grid softens into a welcoming open-air promenade. For decades, this area served as the commercial engine of the city, and today it has reclaimed its role as a primary gathering place where the historic and the contemporary live side by side. At the heart of this movement is Ellis Square. This square has one of the most fascinating life stories of any space in Savannah. Originally one of the 4 squares laid out by James Oglethorpe in 1733, it was for centuries the site of the city's bustling Old City Market. However, in the mid-20th century, in a move that many locals later regretted, the historic market was demolished to make way for a concrete parking garage. For 50 years the square was lost. It wasn't until 2005 that the city made the bold decision to tear down the garage and restore the square to the people. Today it is a symbol of urban resilience, a vibrant, sun-drenched space filled with water features and the laughter of visitors, proving that a city can always find a way back to its original soul. Standing as a modern guardian over this reclaimed space is the K Building. With its sleek glass and masonry, it represents the new Savannah, a city that isn't just a museum of the past, but a thriving, evolving hub for business and innovation. The way the building reflects the surrounding historical brickwork and the changing sky of the square is a masterclass in how modern architecture can respect a century-old environment without simply mimicking it. As you move past the K Building and down West Bryan Street, you feel the transition from the festive energy of the plaza back into the dense, storied layer of the city. This area is the bridge between the old-world charm of the riverfront and the sophisticated pulse of the business district. It is a place that celebrates the fact that Savannah is never finished. It is a work in progress that values its heritage while looking firmly towards the future. This is where the heartbeat of the city is loudest, at the intersection of history, community, and the constant hum of progress.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.